Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 2nd of January, 2024. We're going to talk about Robinhood today because the market has gone against my price prediction. You guys can see it. I'm not hiding anything from you all. I was expecting Robinhood to go down in the very beginning and then eventually go higher in price, but instead, the market maintained the strength and has passed our ultimate loss right there around $11.75, 4.26%, and it completely ran up to $13.50. So now the question is, when will this move stop? Okay, first things first, yes, Robinhood is bullish. The price currently is still trending to the upside. We're going to acknowledge that. The first thing we do here is we simply pay attention to the price action. We don't pay attention to no one's opinion. We don't pay attention to articles. We don't do fundamental analysis. We pay attention to what people are actually doing, i.e., by buying and selling. Someone thinks Robinhood is a buy, because if it wasn't, price wouldn't be going in this massive trend that started back in ending of November. I wanted to show you that here, however, is a sell zone. Okay, simply means that this is where selling is increasing in the market in Robinhood, and if we want to see price continue to be bullish and continue to go higher, we need to see the market take those sellers out the way of that particular zone. Okay, now let's look at Robinhood on the 2-day time frame. You guys can see we shouldn't be surprised that selling pressure has increased, because back here in July of last year, the market price action in Robinhood still got rejected and price came down. That is why the market currently is down here in Robinhood currently. So like I said, if we're going to see the market run higher and continue to be bullish, we need to see buyers come into the market now. So that's going to be the gist or the agenda of our price prediction today. We want to see the buyers. Okay, we know where the sellers are. Now, where are the buyers? So looking at Robinhood on the hourly chart, here it is. You can see that buyers hit the market in Robinhood here. So that's one location we want to see price maintain price action in Robinhood, and here's the next one. Okay, so these two areas is where we need to see the price action in Robinhood hold. Okay, I like this one too down here. So now we can see the range. We can see the consolidational trading range that the market in Robinhood can potentially trade on. See that? Now, that's the trading channel. What we want to see price is making higher lows, right? So here it is. Price is coming down. Let's say that it comes down here and bounce off that buy zone and continues to go up. Then it comes down, bounce off that buy zone and continues to go up. That tells you that the price is bullish. It tells you that the demand is still there. This trend is about to get tested. Matter of fact, it's being tested right now in Robinhood. Okay, it's being tested. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Robinhood on the weekly time frame. So in actuality, what I think is we need to allow the price action to chill to see how it trades over the next couple of days. Because we've seen a great run in Robinhood. 64, almost 65% since the week of November 27, 2023. We need to give the market an opportunity to breathe and take a break and see if we're going to find more buyers to keep the price propped. All right, so I think I might just do that. And be patient. So yeah, let me keep it here. Hold on, let me see something first. So I want to see this right here. Back in 2022, I'm going to try to break that down to see where the sellers hit the market in Robinhood there. All right, so here it is. This is where the sellers are in Robinhood. I think that may be our ultimate target in Robinhood there. For real, for real. All right. So let me do this now. Since we're here on the daily, these are my targets. Okay, so I still think Robinhood is going to continue to go higher, even though we may even break this trend. So let me get rid of it. Get rid of that trend. I want us to think that that's the current idea that I'm looking for the market in Robinhood to trade like. But as long as price holds $11.35, okay? So let me get rid of it. Well, let me hold these buy zones. I want you all to visually see it. As we do see price currently weak, if it bounces off one of these buy zones, then the market in Robinhood is definitely bullish. Here's my first target, back up here at the first sell zone, 1350, 7.31% there. My second target is all the way there around $14.41, 14.46. And then my ultimate target, man, longer term, yeah, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market in Robinhood run to like $16. Now that might be a couple of weeks, months, we'll see. But first, we got to get past these first two sell zones, these first hurdles in Robinhood. So let's just see how strong the market really is. All right, I'm done. I decided to go ahead and predict that given the long-term charts and where price action has been and where the last sell zone was back in 2022, that may be the ultimate agenda of the market participants to push price up to that $16 mark. Now, with that being said, I'm telling you though, we need to see these buyers take these sell zones out the way first. If that don't happen, then don't even think about looking at price in Robinhood running up here to $16. Okay, that's it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.